Here we go. Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're in Washington, D.C. This is 14th and U Street. Looking at a fire escape here. Two things in order for a fire escape to pass inspection: must be kept painted, so that's the deterioration, and the second is an unsafe condition, anything that could be dangerous. So let's take a look at a couple of things. Paint-wise, is there more rust than paint or more paint than rust? This one obviously has more paint than rust, so there's no deterioration violation here. Let's take a look at another violation, see if there's anything else going on here. One is, right away, right off the bat, you can see the cable system is out of whack. It's not functioning. They have it tied off over there with a cable. Electrical cable tying off a cable, holding this thing up in the air. So if you were ever to try to get this down, it would not. So this is a life safety issue. And that weight box is actually locked with a lock there of some sort. So I don't know how this thing functions. It might have been that people have been breaking in because it's a high traffic area, let's say. But what's supposed to be on these is a release arm, and that's what stops people from breaking in. Cantilevers are supposed to drop 2 to 3 feet per second, hit the ground and stay down so people can properly evacuate. The release mechanism is only from above, so that's what stops thieves from breaking in. The weight box must be under total control so that in case the cable does break, that weight box is inside a long rectangular cage controlling that weight box. Otherwise, that weight box can bounce out and hit somebody in the head. So right now, that's the issue that I see here on this particular fire escape. Some other issues are the treads. The original bolts are on there, square head bolts. That means this fire escape doesn't look like it's been refurbished in its lifetime. So this is a 50 to 75-year-old building, and you've got square head bolts, so some of those treads are definitely problematic. Usually by this time, a 50 to 75-year-old fire escape has had all its bolts, all its tread bolts rebolted, if not the entire fire escape rebolted, just to give it the next 50 to 75 years. But that's not the case here. So the violation currently on this fire escape is that the cable on the cantilever, and the cantilever is out of balance, and it's tied up and it's non-functioning on this particular fire escape. So if you have any questions on this or any other fire escape video that you've seen here in Washington, D.C., you're welcome to give us a call at firescapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. You're also, we also offer free fire escape awareness programs for the city, and that would include us doing consultation and help with the implementation of industry standard confidence tests, tags, load test criteria, as well as fire escape repair criteria.